Testing, testing. Hello, my name is Troy White, and I want to dive right into today's topic. What I want to talk to you about is an investment program that our firm offers. This investment program focuses in three areas, and primarily it's designed for those who are interested in uh, developing or creating a real estate investment portfolio, and even more so, a company that is engaged in real estate investing. And when I say company, I don't want to discourage those who say, well, I don't want to start a company. Well, you as an individual, if you are interested in acquiring multiple investment properties, uh, that's what I'm talking about. You're a company. So, what I want to do is just give you some of the general aspects of the program, and then I'll dive into some of the very detailed aspects. I've only got 33 minutes that I'm trying to limit this to, so I'm going to move fast. Let's roll. All right, so the program is titled 40 Units and a Mule. Now, and as I mentioned, this program is designed for you to acquire a real estate portfolio, and that's where the 40 units comes from. We're targeting a goal of 40 units of income generating real property. Now, during the time of this program, I'm not implying that you will get 40 units. But what I am saying is that you will have the capabilities, the tools, and the knowledge to go forward and continue this process and acquire your 40 units. And a mule. Well, what's a mule? A mule is when we, from the standpoint of this program, is an acronym that stands for a multi-asset, unique, legacy-based entrepreneurism program. So MULE meaning multi-assets. You will acquire multi-investment assets, not just real estate. You will build an investment portfolio. It is unique in that it is unique to you, and how we determine how we customize this for you is to engage in personal financial planning. And it's legacy based, meaning that it is not designed for your current lifetime. It is designed for you to build a legacy which you pass on to your heirs for many generations. And entrepreneurial in that these efforts require you to take entrepreneurial action towards achieving these goals. All right, let's dive into it. So it comes with, these are some of the things that you get in this program. There's a financial literacy aspect. So our firm has a motto of learn, plan, invest. So considering those three aspects, is how we built this program. So there's an investment course. This course now doesn't require you to complete it in any specific time frame. However, the course is very robust, and this is on a teachable platform. It's all completely online. It consists of videos, worksheets, reading materials, and so there is some testing and in terms of the worksheets, but you don't have to. There's no pass or fail. This is just information that you have access to. We expect you to refer to this information on a regular basis. Most people don't learn this information on the first time I tell it to you. So through this course, you can constantly watch the videos, read the materials. We're going to have worksheets that we go through, and it's going to help flush out some of the motivations, some of the necessary knowledge that is required for for you to progress and achieve the outcomes that we expect for you. You are going to have an investment account and access on our investment platform. And I'll tell you more about that as we go forward. There's self-directed investment accounts as well. This is not something that you have to have, but we're going to teach you a lot about that. And self-directed IRAs and such is something that is a great benefit to anyone who is engaged in real estate as an investment. Okay, we have a financial planning platform. So we have a portal that you have access to. Log in and input your financial planning data. The data gathering can occur online by you or through our consultation and just through one of our meetings. So we also, through this program, you have a real estate investing platform. I'm going to go in detail about what you have access to on this real estate investing platform. And that's through a team account that we have, and we're going to give access to you for this. We're going to provide you with coaching and consultation because every property is different, every individual's journey is different. So coaching, consultation, and advising is a major aspect of the program. There will be group coaching. Some of this information can be delivered in a group, and in a group setting, often we learn from some of the questions that others have, questions and comments. And there are some textbooks that I suggest. There's a book that I wrote, which is titled "The Revolution Will Be Monetized," and there's another book, Investing in Duplex, Triplex, and Fourplexes. And there may be others, but these are suggested reading and not mandatory. Again, the course is up to you. It's not a mandatory that you do any of this. But if you have the motivation and the desire, these are the tools that are going to help you succeed. Okay, so on our investment platform, you have access to many different account types. So personal accounts include individual investment accounts. And this investment platform is specific to stock market assets, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs. So on this platform, you may have an individual account that's just a regular account. You could get it anywhere, but you're going to get it here, and I'm going to discuss some of the benefits of having it on our platform. Again, you don't have to utilize your account. You may have an account, maybe you don't want to invest on our platform. That's fine. You have access to joint accounts with rights of survivorship, joint accounts with joint tenants in common, joint accounts, tenants by entirety. And, through our consultation, I can tell you what some of the differences of those are all about. Custodial accounts, uniform gifts to minors accounts, and uniform trust to minors accounts. And these are accounts that are for your children, basically. And there are many great features of these accounts. If you join the program, I'll tell you about those. But, I have one for my son, and he's, I've just been investing a little bit at a time, and he's got several $1,000s in his account. Revocable trust accounts as well. Okay, retirement accounts. You may have a rollover IRA, traditional IRA, Roth IRAs, simple IRAs, SEP IRAs, and beneficiary IRAs. Obviously, all of these have different meanings and specifics, requirements related to them. And if you join the program, you become a client, I'm going to detail all of this to you. Business accounts that we have: corporation S-type, corporation C-type, general partnerships, limited partnership accounts, limited liability accounts, LLC, partnership LLCs, and sole proprietorship accounts. In addition, we have investment club accounts. And this is a unique benefit of our program, is that you may be in an investment club, and this program may act as the educational component for your investment club, and we will offer you various discounts and such, depending on the number um, of participants in your investment club. All right, let's move on. Financial planning platform. So our financial planning software is provided by Advicent. It's the premier software in the industry, and in fact, worldwide, it is the premier software. So, what good does that do you? Well, we have what's called we call our Hoodoo forecaster assessment. So we can do these assessments for you, where you receive. We will identify your current financial situation and illustrate what is needed to meet your specific goals. And these goals fit in various categories we call modules within within our financial planning platform. And that could be retirement, education, major purchases, your life insurance and disability insurance coverages analysis, as well as if you want this module, we generate a customized client report for you and discuss the results. We have a Hoodoo asset allocation assessment as well. So in this, we establish your risk tolerance and determine the appropriate investor profile for you, create a proposed investment portfolio that's appropriate for your profile and your risk tolerance. And so we're going to do the analysis about your life insurance, do the analysis about your expected rate of return, your standard deviations, and the asset mix that we suggest based on your risk profile and your risk tolerance. And then obviously we're going to do an asset allocation client report and go over that with you, tell you what our analysis comes. And then we have a personalized financial plan, and those plans, we have two, level 1 and level 2. Well, I'll just skip the level 1 because the level 2 plan includes your real estate assets. So, obviously in the beginning, you may not have real estate assets, so we will just do a level 1 plan. Going forward, we can update you to a level 2. It's a detailed account and annuity information. We set your emergency fund goals, analyze your survivor income, disability income, and long-term care goals, define investor profiles, overall plan, as well as your individual goals, conduct a side-by-side comparison of the different strategies that we suggest and that you are currently on, and we can import your external data into there that is necessary to determine what your financial profile is. We'll define the different allocations and investor real estate assets. Conduct market volatility simulations. This is a great thing. Monte Carlo simulations. That means those are like what if scenarios. Well, what if this? Well, what if this happens? Well, what if I get more money? What if I get more real estate? We can do various modules. The estate planning module, the advanced estate module. We can conduct detailed cash flow and net worth analysis, stock option and restricted stock analysis, doing an equity comparison module, and conduct business planning analysis through our business planning modules. And so this allows us to do highly customized reports, and of course we deliver those reports to you as well. You have them for posterity. You can bind it, and it's something to follow and update on a regular basis. So we generate those reports and deliver them to you and explain to you what's going on. So real estate investing platform that we offer. Has real estate marketing tools. These tools are designed to automate your inbound, outbound marketing strategies, deliver to you more leads, and increase your profits. Obviously, it has some of the features is a software called Lead Pipes. You can instantly download seller, buyer, private lender leads. Many more leads. I'll discuss some of those with you as we go forward. Direct mail. You get your, so these are automated single step direct mail campaigns. Website. We can launch your custom website. That's, it's a website when these leads, when people respond to your leads, where are they going to respond? Where it's going to go to your own private website. Email marketing, to automated email messages going out to keep you constantly engaged to increase the conversion rates. Mobile marketing, your marketing is going 24/7. There's a library of marketing materials that we're going to offer. There's forms and other widgets that can be placed on your website, property listing pages, etc. We have real estate business tools. Those business tools. Hammerpoint is a software provider that gives us a repair estimator, estimates repair and rehab costs, deal analyzers, CRM tool that comes with the software. Power matching. This matches buyers and sellers, and it's easy click through capabilities. Comparables, be able to compare. It's a comp tool. Compare if you're looking at you found a property. Well, how do you compare if this is good or bad? So it pulls comps from the similar comps from the area. Allows you to have a paperless office. Fax, smooth fax. This is completely online faxing, right? So let's dive a little different. I could go into detail about those things, but if you're interested in the program, I'm going to deliver this information to you. All right, so I'll dive into a little bit more detail right now, actually. So the program, just to recap, you get your online financial planning account. In that account, we're going to give you the level 1, level 2 financial plan, depending on which is needed, but it's a personalized financial plan that's going to give you a roadmap to success, to achieve your goals, whatever those goals are. And we have the Fact Finder tool that's all completely online, financial calculators, asset allocation assessment, financial goal, forecaster, account aggregation capabilities, goal identification, cash flow planning and analysis, retirement planning. We offer our recommendations in a presentation and implement and monitor your plan. Also, your online investment account. We have the fiduciary responsibility. We're fully licensed, registered investment advisory. So it's not, we are required by law to put your interest first. So, it's not just we're not just a guru that, can tell you what to do. We're really about this, highly trained, And so multiple account types. There's no limit to the number of accounts you can open with us, but obviously I'm going to advise you on the ones that you need. There are no investment minimums. We are going to build a custom portfolio for you with no investment minimums. This is also includes 24/7 access to your account. You can view your holdings, the performance, the activity, balances, statements, get your tax documents at any time, 24/7. Tax loss harvesting is available on here. Specialized portfolios that we create for you of up to 100 stocks, and that includes fractional shares. when I say up to 100 stocks, we're going to, and no investment minimums, because we have the capability to invest in fractional shares. And guess what? Commission free, costs you nothing to place that trade. We have asset exclusion capabilities for those of you who are interested in being, who have interest in investing your values-based investing. We can exclude the types of assets that you refuse to invest in. This is for social impact investing. So sector exclusion, social issue exclusion, and industry exclusion. So we can exclude those three by those three factors. We have online risk tolerance assessment, automatic portfolio rebalancing. So we do auto rebalancing to keep your investments in line with your financial plan. We have model portfolios that we use to customize based on your specific needs. So you start off with a custom portfolio, and then we tweak it to be specific to your specific financial profile, investor profile. Online risk tolerance assessment, I mentioned it. And so also our education account, we have multiple financial literacy courses. We would start you off with the 40 units in the MULE investor course to match the program. However, if you feel that you need one of our other courses as well, maybe I'll provide you with some of the lessons in that program, in those in those courses. But believe me, yours is very, very robust. And so we're gonna analyze key data points to accurately project a return on investment for every deal that you do. This is part of the real estate investor tools that come with a program. You can use different buying and selling scenarios to see how they affect the bottom line, just with these digital tools. Use our real estate analysis software to make better buying and selling decisions. So the default values are provided to get you started, and it gives you the ability to analyze potential deals, in minutes, literally. Unlimited nationwide leads. We can, those leads are absentee owner leads, free and clear owner leads, high equity leads, low equity leads, upside down buyer owners, cash buyers, private lenders. And this is all specific because each of those leads are identifying different scenarios, different individuals with different pain points that you choose to capitalize on. And maybe each individual may want to target different types of leads, depending on what your investment strategy is and what your property type is that you are going to be investing in, and various other factors. The direct mail engine, we have 22 seller lead generation postcards, 4 buyer lead generation postcards, private lender lead generation postcard, 36 lead generation handwritten stationery letters, 7 buyer handwritten stationery letters, 4 private lender lead generation handwritten letters, and 4 professional brochures. All of these are customizable to it's going to plug in your names and so on and so forth. Some of the tools: unlimited phone and email support, mobile SMS marketing system, voice broadcast, email and email auto responders, smooth fax, a CRM, a calendar, a task manager. Various notes are available in there, and document storage. You've got the property database and contact database, or a database for the properties that you're working on and the contacts that you have. The comp tool, the deal analyzer, repair estimator, rehab planner. And those are, those are the utmost important tools right there. comp tool, deal analyzer, repair estimator, and the rehab planner. We have seller scripts, expense trackers, paperless office capability, auto form creator, power linking, power matchers, and the marketing pages, as I mentioned. And all of this is yours. Right now we have the course priced at $2,200. I've personally gone to several investor seminars where they are selling less than this for $50,000. I BS you not. Go to well, I don't want to tell you to go to them, but there's one that comes to mind right now. They want $50,000 for this. There's another one that I went to. They'll do this. They'll provide you these tools in some form or another. Actually, they're less because, in fact, none of them have the investment accounts. They're only focused on real estate. We none of these other tools, that specifically the ones that I know for 50,000, they only help you with these tools in the real estate arena, but they do not handle your financial plan for you. They don't give you these financial planning tools, and they don't provide you with a stock market portfolio or investment platform with the commission-free trades, the fractional shares, etc. So, hey, we actually reduced the price of this program. It's going to go back up at some point, but I won't say when. But we are making an offer for this right now. And then if you contact me, I also have a link that I send out, and it'll give you an additional 2% off. And so $2,200, you get all of this. You can get started, no investment minimums. However, I want, through our financial planning, I want you to invest the maximum that you can afford to, because there's a cycle of assets that we teach. And that cycle is invest in the stock market. As your stock market assets appreciate, then we lump off some of that appreciation, and we use those, we cash out and use some of those assets as a down payment on your real property. As your investment property, and we teach income generating properties. So as you acquire an income producing property, that property produces income and goes into your investment account. As it goes into your investment account, we invest in real estate assets, and in stock market assets. Those stock market assets appreciate, then we do the same thing. We take more, put it into your real estate portfolio, and we keep that cycle going. And then let's get specific on the real estate side. Our goal is to recycle one down payment. We want to use the same down payment that we purchased one real estate investment with. We want to recycle that. We want to get that money back out, and then we want to use it to get another one. We want to insert appreciation, insert value that leads to appreciation, utilize that appreciation and or equity, and that's how we're going to recycle that down payment and do it over and over and over. So we're going to try to use OPM at all times. That's other people's money, as we build up your portfolio to be as significant as we can, which I'll say basically means achieving your goals. If your goals is $1 million, then that's what we're trying to achieve. If your goal is $100,000, that's what we're trying to achieve. Now, what we're going to do is design a model, a pathway, a procedure, and a strategy to achieve that, whatever your goal is. The goal for you is what's important. So again, my name is Troy White, portfolio manager and investment advisor at Hoodoo Financial. and I encourage you to take part in the 40 units and a MULE investment program. And there should be a link to that program in this video somewhere in the description. So I'm going to stop it there. We still have 3 minutes, and please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for listening. Holler at me.